So the electrician came in this 2011, very clean.
So the electrician is going to replace this panel because there's some rust there, and some of the wirings inside, I understand, is not very tidy. So this is going to be replaced. Basically, you got some piping behind the wall, so the panel that they brought is a little too big, so it won't fit on that plywood sheet there.
So this could be like 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right. We could just cross it out. Want to do that? Okay. What the hell is MB1 though? Something, then yes, but not on a swap. A swap, you keep the same rate.
I'm recording you.
No problem.
No, I do a YouTube.
Nice.
You know, and you know, if you don't mind,
I don't
without filming you.
No, I don't mind.
I can.
These just fit with the dryer.
Wow.
With
This
the
is, but that's 200 amp.
That is still
and this
200.
is.
This is 200 physically bigger.
Wow, this is so much bigger.
Yes.
It's like at least.
It is. It is bigger. It's significantly bigger.
There's a mystery live wire underneath the sink. So that's going to be put in a junction box. A coax cable here and the Ethernet cable here. And this is a mystery wire. So that's going to be tucked back into the wall. And this is going to be replaced with another outlet here. And then this outlet here is not grounded. So I brought this tester here to test it. Press it for a couple of seconds and then it tells you missing ground. So can replace that with a GFCI.